Hello! Hi! Welcome to the All Down Under channel.
No, Alex. That is not our intro. Okay. Good morning. I mean, good afternoon. It's like really late in the day.
Technically, it's evening for them in America. Okay. We're just not that big.
And we don't have fans. But anyway, you know, we just woke up and we're planning on going somewhere.
Shopping!
And so we'll take you along with us. This is our first time doing this, so it's gonna look real awkward, but you know.
You're gonna meet one of our friends today.
Yeah, we'll take you. It's a day.
And we're showing them Brisbane technically.
Yeah, it's a day in like the life of us, and then we'll show you around Brisbane as well. So, yeah.
You can see about.
Anyway, we'll be back after getting ready.
It's like space gray.
Okay, so this is our friend, little Alex. Alex, say hi.
You blow my face. What?
We're going.
Okay, now we're going, heading out.
Where are we going?
DFO.
I guess. We'll see you later.
Wait, the fuck is it? You call that jump?
Okay, so we're going to go to DFO.
We're gonna steal some shit.
So, basically, for you people who don't know, DFO is an outlet that we have in Brisbane, Australia.
Yeah, but this one's really.
Lots of sales everywhere. They have to, oh, look at those boots. Alex, that's what you're looking for, right?
No, I'm not. Do my Gucci boots.
Gucci boots.
Primary school.
This is like the ultimate kids, like,
You had Sligo when you were in primary school, you were cool. You know what I'm saying?
it was our stationery. The little rubber pigs.
Oh my god. Wait, is that a rip-off of Subway?
That's what I thought. It looks like Subway.
Sublime.
Sales is, oh, $5. That's really good.
Pajamas are $3.
Alex! Okay, wait.
Bras are $5.
What? Okay, wait, we're going shopping. US candy bar. How? Because we're from down under.
So we wanted to try some stuff. So we got Reese's.
Our classic Reese's.
Yeah, these are really good. We haven't tried these before, so we got them. And then we got Georgia Peach Coke. Alex, try it. Tell us, give us a first impressions. What's that finger off? Tastes like feet.
What does it taste like?
Interesting. It's alright. It's pretty good actually, to be honest. I don't see where the peach came from, but.
No, you know what it tastes like? You know, like peach iced tea. It's like they put Coke and peach iced tea in like one bottle.
Man, I'm
Kind of
scared
what you
now.
expected.
Yeah, no, but as in like it doesn't taste. I know what you mean by it doesn't like taste like peach, but it's like. It's like
I don't like it.
it doesn't work.
Tastes like one of those like powdered tablets you put in.
Because it's Georgia peach, bro. It's Georgia peach.
Oh well, thanks America.
Don't get it.
What's up?
Today is our little mukbang of one packet of Cheetos.
Oh my god.
They're the extra flamin' hot Cheetos.
Yeah, we're excited to try them because we always see
smell good.
people.
Talking about
Try.
hot.
Oh my gosh, they're so red.
Try.
Yeah, they're like,
They don't look red in here.
you know, like Lil Yachty?
I always see people who like do like the
You know how
hack.
Lil Yachty had like the braids? And then like,
Oh,
Oh yeah.
gotta eat it together.
Bye bye.
How is it? Is it spicy?
it's kind of like.
Wait, have you already eaten it?
Alex, take one.
Oh shit. I'll take 2.
Okay, cheers, guys. Cheers,
Alex.
I
You took 2. I like the cheese.
Wait, they're not even spicy.
Yeah. Yeah, but then again, like everyone.
And we got the extra flaming hot.
No, but if
They're
you,
good.
if you keep eating it, you can like,
I like it.
it gets more spicy when you keep like eating more and more.
I get that people get addicted to it, so it's good. Oh fuck.
Well, I cannot finish that Coke though.
We're gonna have to beat that out.
Okay, thanks for a little mukbang. We're in Toronto.
What are we eating?
We're gonna eat some yummy food. Stay
Please,
tuned.
please.
So we're at a hot pot place in Toronto. So we're here with our little boy Jesse. He came here. And we're gonna have bubble tea. We're here at Here Tea too.
Do we have to get the
Our bubble tea came to like $41. So there's Emmy.
Look up Interneting this one. It's
And
like
the,
a free thing that shows you how to build a website.
We're doing flex boxes.
Hey, people.
Yeah, so that was the day.
Practically, it was
Yeah.
it was a good time. Did
Today-
everyone have fun?
Yeah.
Yay!
Today wasn't anything special. But yeah, that's it. All we have for you today. Alex, say bye.
What's the joke? Yeah, let's end them off with a joke.
Make sure you smash that like button.
Catch you on the flip flop.
Wait, yeah, so bye.